Stonebraker, and he does stuff, yeah. Feel the hum of the wheels out there. Not perfect, but he dares to dream. Hit that subscribe, make that bell scream.
Hey YouTube, I am on my way to a bike shop in Indianapolis. Before we get there, I wanted to show you guys, this is Speedway, Indiana. That is the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It is so big, I've heard you can fit like 15 Suns inside of it. It is huge. So I was just passing by it, thought it looked cool, wanted to show you guys. If you ever get a chance to go to Indianapolis Motor Speedway, whether it's the 500 or any of the NASCAR races, highly recommend. It's a great time. On with the video. All right, so besides the beautiful dog, I've got to pet him. Such a nice dog. I petted him a little bit more on the way out. But this is Pedego electric bikes in Indianapolis, Indiana. Pretty cool little setup. So I walked in, they've got like a big garage door looking thing. You guys can see it kind of at the top there. It's really wide open, pretty cool. Dog's just hanging out. That's pretty cool too. So these bikes right here, Pedego, don't really know much about them. I'm not going to pretend that I do. But I really like that red color. It's pretty nice. I believe these are bikes you can rent. You can clearly see on the back where it says rent me. Maybe I should put that on my back and see if I can be rented. And then you got a few more. This is a Pedego dealer, so you're going to see a lot of those bikes. Thin tires. Pretty cool little design though. I like the handlebars, swooped back, but these are really popular. Look at that yellow and that blue. Let's go together really good. And there you see, just showing you a little bit of the signs, and then a little table with some goodies on it. Some cleaning stuff. Looks like a portable speaker. A seat, which I don't like the shape of that seat. And here's another Pedego bike. And here's a workstation right here. I thought about doing pull-ups on that thing, but then I realized I can't even do a pull-up. So that was a quickly gone idea. You see they got more bikes, mod bikes. Kind of cool looking, right? Looks something like a old school biker fan would like. And here's another bike. Love the collars. Indianapolis Colts, blue and white. And here's a couple more of them. You see the price tags dangling there as well. So $2,000. Yeah, not for me. Pretty cool looking. Look at that setup. If you got a family, take kids with you, enjoy the day. Here you see I'm just showing you a little bit, some details about the mod cargo bike. Some more cool accessories. And this place was pretty busy, really. I stayed in a little bit longer and talked. I didn't get it on camera. So here's some more. This is the Mod Berlin. Another thin tire bike, at least for me. I think it was $2,000. Here's a folding bike. I thought this was pretty cool. If it had a bigger tire, I actually think it looked really neat. I love the collar. Seemed to be pretty comfortable. $2,000, you know. You be a little better, could be a little worse. Velatric, thumbs up daddy. So this is not the bike I came to look at, but it's the brand I came to look at. $1,500 on sale. I don't know if you got to spend to win to get $1,500, but I don't think that's a bad deal. $1,500. Is that the Discover? See if I zoom in here. I can't remember if I did or not. There you see another bike there on sale as well. Small tires, super folding, and then never heard of that brand. I like the collars. You can ask them about extra savings. And then you hear Kenda tires on this bike on sale for $2,200. Pretty cool looking bike. You can see the suspension there. And then here's another one. Again, ask them about the extra savings. Thin tire bike. This is typical e-bike style, and it's a V-Volt. So there's where you could spend. There's some bags up there. Had a lot of accessories and things like that. A few more bags, a few more accessories. I'm very interested in these accessories, it looks like. Some helmets, bright yellow. I should have bought that bright yellow helmet. There you go. Gives you a better look at them. I like the style of those. So now we got some more bikes in the middle. These are more Pedego. Again, this is a Pedego, Indianapolis, Indiana, right in the heart of downtown. It was a pain in the butt trying to figure out how to park and where to park, but I'll probably talk about that when I close the video. Blue, white. Another Pedego. Let's take a look at the price. $1,900. Look at the tires. Look at the little like swoopty swoops on the rims there. Pretty interesting. More Pedigo. Looks pretty similar to the ones that they rent. These are just obviously for sale. Not knobby tires at all. But this was interesting. I was kind of flown back by this. Like, look at that. Tell me that's not something you would see Captain America in, right? Captain America, he'd have his little dog right there, or whoever's with him. This was a pretty cool looking bike. That price was not pretty cool. $3,900, but definitely looks like something you'd see in the 40s or 50s if e-bikes were a thing. And here it is, the Holy Grail. I'm pointing at it. I believe this is the exact bike I'm going to buy. $2,000, so it's priced exactly like it is online. Blue is a very stunning color. I was going back and forth between the blue and the red, but after seeing the blue in person, I definitely think this is going to be my purchase. Not going to buy any of those back stuff. There you see me fondling the seat. I may keep the seat on this just because it's got the suspension seat post, and there you see the rack on the back. It's got the accessories, Specialized, you can take a look at. Here's another Velatric right next to it, but of course I go right back to the Nomad 2. Just kind of, 8-speed shifter, taking a look at the screen, and the handlebars really swoop back. There you see the front fork. And now we go to the Discover 2. So this is the Discover 2, $1,700. Again, another cool looking bike. I like the beefier tires, man. I just can't look past the smaller tires. I know maybe if I rode it for a while, I'd like it, but I don't know. So here's another Velatric. This one is in white. This is the Velatric something one. I missed the name of it there. Here you see the adjustable handlebar stem, same handlebars, same screen. And now we're going to look at the Fold. I don't know if this is the Fold 1. Do I take a look at it? Let's see. $1,500. It is the Fold 1 Plus, so this is the newer version. Really vibrant bike. The collar really stood out. I really like the collar. If it had just a little thicker tires, I think those are 3 inches, I might be interested in something like that. So Troxus, another bike I've heard of. Look at those fat tires. That's what I like. I like the gray wall. Would you call that gray? That's not gray. That's like golden brown. I love the tires on this. I love the handlebars. I actually looked a little bit into the Troxus bikes. $2,000, a little bit more than what I would pay for a 20x4 folding e-bike. But they had a few of them. Well, I guess they have them on sale for $1,900. And then this one, $2,000. And then again, they have another one of these bright yellow bikes. That one really stood out. Let's take a look at the price, $2,200. But you can see it's a cargo. Look at the back there. You could carry around your ex-wife, anything you want to carry around, junk in the trunk. You got lots of room there. And then another Troxus, smaller tire bike. Love the handlebars on it though, I'm not gonna lie. Just like cool setting, wide open. So just a quick little rundown of the store. That's it. All right, guys, so that was Pedego, Indianapolis. I did spend a little bit of time talking to the guy. I only paid for 30 minutes parking. Now, I don't even know if I did that right. I've never paid for parking. You can tell I'm a small town guy. So hopefully I'm still not getting charged for being parked. But anyways, yeah, it was really busy. A lot of people. It was kind of like a little square area, a lot of little stores and stuff. And yeah, definitely a big city vibe, something I'm not used to. But he did say that if I do want to purchase the Velatric right now, they only had that blue one, so he would sell it to me. But if I want the red one or the other color, I think it's like the green, he can order it. I did like the blue, so I think we're going to go with the blue Velatric. We're still 3.5 weeks away from when I'm going to get it. I haven't decided if I want to just buy it from him, go pick it up. I don't like being around that many people in such a small area, especially if I'm going to be trying to load an e-bike and stuff. I don't know. It is like 74 degrees outside. Tomorrow is supposed to be great as well, so I'm gonna get a bike ride tomorrow. But I appreciate you guys spending your time helping me waste my time on this gorgeous Saturday. It was nice to get out and see a legit e-bike shop, and I'll see you in the next one.